Oh my gosh, Harriet, calm down. Calm down, this is your chance to shine. Come here. Oh my God. Hey, I'm Alexandra, home editor at Chatelaine. Welcome to another episode of the Home Primp where I make over spaces on a budget. Right now, we're in my guest bedroom. This is the room where my family stays when they come to visit or cat sit for us. And this room has got the basics already. It's got a bed, it's got a rug, it's got cute curtains, but it's really lacking any personality. So over the next 3 episodes, I'm gonna transform it and primp this entire room. Today, we're gonna focus on the bed area. I wanna make this space really relaxing, really cozy, and so I'm just gonna add a few things to make it feel warm and inviting for under $200. Full disclosure, I didn't want to spend a lot of money on updating the bed as this is our guest room and won't be used a lot. I found the most inexpensive frame I could and used my favorite shade of stain. It took me just an hour to stain it before I built it, and now it looks so much more luxe. If you don't have a fancy headboard, believe it or not, this is an easy DIY job. All you need is this long photo shelf. Fill it with fun art, a cute candle, and if you don't have space for a side table, this doubles as a great storage unit for your books. Some kind of textured garland will always make a lackluster headboard shine. I've had this one forever, but I've linked to a lookalike down below. The quickest way to primp a side table is to change its knobs. These make this night table look unique. Inside, I'm up to one of my oldest tricks, lining the drawer with paper for a pop of pattern and using a tray to corral all of my necessities. A pretty carafe always makes me feel like I'm at a spa and looks nice too. Don't have a side table? A small poof you already have can hold books, or use a decorative ladder to store extra blankets, magazines, and wrap a pendant around the side. Next up is lighting. If you're tight on space, a wall sconce is a must. They can be expensive, so it's often more cost efficient to make your own. You could hang it a couple of ways, with a cute decorative hook like this one, or with a wall bracket. This wall bracket costs just $2. It's untreated wood, meaning you can stain it or paint it any color you'd like. This plug-in pendant is made from concrete. The cord wraps around the bracket and a snazzy light bulb finishes off your custom fixture. Or if you're feeling really fancy, use an oversized Edison-style bulb. Bedding is expensive. Instead, keep your original sheets, something with one solid color is good, and use throw pillows to add color, pattern, and texture. My rule of thumb is 2 basic cushions and 1 bold, but you can honestly mix and match any pillows you already have on hand. And there you have it, a complete bed transformation for under $200. Thanks so much for watching the Home Primp. Come on, Marty, let's go take a nap. Come on. See you next time. High five, bro. High five, cute. Thanks so much for watching the Home Primp. For more budget-friendly updates, click here and subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here. See you next time.